In today's video, I show you how to enable Microsoft Loop quickly and efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. First, open your preferred browser and search for Microsoft Loop. Click the official link to go to the home page, ensuring you're on the authentic site for security. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create it easily. During sign-in, you might be asked for a password and a one-time verification code or OTP sent to your email. This extra security ensures your account stays safe. Once verified, you land on the Microsoft Loop dashboard. This is your central hub for creating and managing collaborative components. The interface is intuitive, letting you organize projects, ideas, and content seamlessly. If you use Outlook, you can enhance collaboration even further by inserting Loop components directly into your emails. Open Outlook, click the Loop button in the email composer, and insert components to make your communication interactive. These components are also accessible from the Outlook navigation pane, helping you manage tasks and collaborate in real time. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully enabled Microsoft Loop and are ready to explore all its productivity features.